In this video, I'm going to be giving you my only Spark dating app review. Is it legit or a scam? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Only Spark is a dating app that marks itself as a platform for meaningful conversations or connections, fostering real conversations instead of superficial swiping. It offers features like profile matching, messaging with icebreakers, and specialized filters to help users find people with shared interests or even lifestyles. Only Spark appears to operate as a genuine platform. It allows free registrations, profile creation, and browsing of matches. The interface is polished and functions as one would expect from a modern dating app. Registration is straightforward, profiles can be detailed, and there is messaging functionality behind certain tiers or credits. That said, there are some red flags are common in dating apps worth noting. The presence of in-app purchases or credits for messaging, boost, or unlock premium features is typical. They monetize by putting core features behind paywalls. Also, because online dating is subject to fake profile bots and spammers, users must be cautious about safety and verify who they talk to. And also another risk is transparency around subscription terms, auto renewal policies, and refunds. Some users of the dating services find themselves locked into recurring payments they didn't fully comprehend. It's also crucial that the app maintains strong moderation and verification to filter out fraudulent or low quality accounts. If that's weak, the experience degrades. In short, Only Spark seems to be a functional dating app with legitimate features, not an obvious scam, but it's not perfect. Now, success will depend heavily on your experience with real users, how well the app filters out those fake accounts, and how fair its pricing model is. So always take standard safety precautions, meet in public, protect personal info, and use the app's communication system initially.